Ashok, we are here in Kettle Kalan now court. I am seeing this building of some functioning. Can you describe some its history?
So like this in other colony was also constructed in the time of Arba Ghulam Rahim. So far these both structures are fruitless. So the way the anticipation and expectation behind these two type of structures, they never delivered what was expected from these structures. You are seeing this is abundant and giving a very deserted look here.
So, is there any possibility you have to revise this one because the human building structures and the land area or the voucher is available? So, it may be converted to some again productive or financial activity or economical activity.
It can be because we have spent a big amount of public money here in both of the structures. Even when the situation of drought, people take especially the cattle with them for the barrage area, they may come here. And if there is a facility of water here, then and the fodder, so there more facilities can be provided to rehabilitate these colonies, these centers.
Okay, on this road behind you, I am seeing some more greenery and trees of important nature. Is it looking a barrage area?
On the rear side, on the other side of the road is the barrage area. We are just kilometers away from the Noko town.
Yeah.
And this is the borderline of the barrage area, the irrigated area, and the desert area. And the just right opposite of us, it is the structure of the fort, the Mir Talpur period fort
Yeah.
that was constructed in 1814, the latest fort in our city.
Is it this possible that here the new settlements of the families or villages where because we are the 20
In 2011, there was a big rain flood occurred in this area.
Yeah.
And many families from the adjacent barrage area, they got displaced and they settled here for quite few months here. And if it is thought in a way, then I think it can be a suitable place for constructing or
New town.
developing a new city here.
so it will nurse the business activity also. It has the barrage area.
Yes.
You have the good air,
in this way,
no
it
pollution.
It can be a very ideal, very ideal.
Are there any some other important peculiarities which you can describe now on the either side of this area which may benefit to the human settlement as well as the business settlement future of this area?
Sir, I already shared with you that in third, keeping aside the administrative union council units and the Talaka units,
Yeah.
the area of Thar, the district Thar can be divided into 10 various socio-ecological zones.
Yeah.
Every zone has got its own recognition, its own livelihood option, and even the number of the livestock and the soil fertility differs reasonably between the ecological zones. So the planning can be made in a way. So what type of options of livelihood be provided to the local communities in various zones in Tharparkar, and the clusters of those zones and the union councils can be marked or formed to provide the relevant concerned livelihood options to the local communities.
Okay, one thing only more last question to this area. As we are existing here on the roadside and the diverman and the many other people use the term that this is the Sindh onward area and the other is the third area. Has any such a vocabulary importance to specify discussing on this road either side?
This is not the way it is being understood and said that this is Sindh and this is Thar. The context and connotation of Thar, the nomenclature of Thar, it means a desert area. Area that is the rain-fed area.
Yeah.
The saying Sindh Sindh, we Thari people usually very often say that the people has gone to Sindh. Sindh means the irrigated area.
Aggregate area.
Agriculturally rich area. Sindh means the rich area. Because nowadays there is scarcity of water even in the irrigated area.
Yeah.
So we are very much afraid and very much reluctant to even tell to other outsiders and other people why there is a scarcity of water. Sindh cannot be a water scarcity zone because why did there occur scarcity of water? It can be beyond the scarcity. The Sindh cannot be a zone without water. The Sindh should be always with the water.
Thank you.
Thari always say in this way and they tell in this way.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ashok.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.